Uh-oh. That's a really big fish.
What it is, everybody. My name is Daniel. That is why I'm here, and this is Made for Fishing. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. I hope you all are having a great day, but ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Man, it is hot outside and the fishing is terrible. It's terrible. The West Coast is on fire. And so I'm going to take just a second and say that I'm praying for all of Groveland, California, all of San Jose, all of San Francisco, all of Los Angeles, all the firemen. You guys stay safe. I hope that everybody got out. All of my family that lives in the Groveland, California area, I'm glad that you guys are all safe. I love you and I'm praying for you. So let's go. I've got a cure for the summertime blues. Let's make some bait. Who likes PB&J? I do. I did a little bit of research on peanut butter and jelly, and it's crazy. The peanut butter and jelly sandwich was invented by Julia Davis Chandler in 1901. And it made its debut in the Boston Cooking Magazine of Culinary Science and Domestic Economics. She used crabapple jelly and peanut butter. And she said, and I quote, "It's delicious. And I think it's original." So that's what we're going to do today. I know you guys have heard of PB&J, but we're going to go off traditional. We're going to make crabapple peanut butter and jelly. I've got a couple of different baits set out. I've got my Ned Rig bait back, which I'm really excited to do. I've got my laminator. I've got my bass tackle kind of robo worm style, which is called the Mmnn Drop. And if you guys tuned in last time, you saw me kind of pull out an Mmnn Drop at the very end there. Appreciate all of you guys. I hope that you do a like and a subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I do these as often as I possibly can between my full-time job and fishing, which I absolutely love. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to pour some really strange Pearl X. It's called Pearl X, if you guys can see that. There we go. Pearl X. It's called apple green. And then we're going to mix in, if it's too bright, we're going to mix in some Dead on Plastics green pumpkin. We're going to mix in some just super fine green glitter and some chartreuse glitter. And that'll be the top of the bait for sure. And then we're going to use some Dead on Plastics brown for the peanut butter. Oh yeah, peanut butter, baby. Peanut butter. And some gold color cast. Oh, I love gold. That'll be the peanuts in the peanut butter. And this, just a smidgen of black flake as well. Some black glitter. Almost out of that. And we're going to use Lureworks plastic in the swim bait style today. And it's sinking. So, yeah, come along with me. All right, so let's put some color in this. So we'll put, let's do it. Oh yeah, look at that craziness. It's a color shift pigment, I believe. And like I said in the last video, if you guys have never used powder pigment before, you do have to stir it really well. There's clumps all over the place. All right, let's go brown over here. That's a really cool green. And this one I want to be not black, but I certainly want it to be really brown. We're going crazy today. Boy. Yeah. That's awesome. It looks a little see-through though, doesn't it? That's okay. Over. Good. Okay, so let's do some gold. And the peanut butter. And some black. And the peanut butter a little less. Alright, she's all salted up. She's ready to go. Let's pour some bait. This Ned rig bait is pretty thirsty, so let's see how much it takes. Yeah, we might have enough to do both. We gonna find out, ain't we? Oh yeah. The trick with this RoboWorm model really is to pour super slow, because it flashes pretty bad if you don't, and if the plastisol is too hot. All right, now let's check these things out. Time for the big reveal. These are the Ned rigs. And off camera, of course, I pulled the first batch, and I'll show you those at the end of the video, so stay tuned, and we'll do a quick comment which one you like the best. Oh man, those are sweet. Love that green. That is sweet. Yeah, I had to go a little bit darker brown. I do like that. Yeah, see, this one came out just a little bit lighter. It's kind of how the first batch went. A little lighter on the peanut butter. Look at that flake in there. I love it. It looks good. See, in this one, got nice and dark with that peanut butter. I'm hungry. It's time for dinner. And they're nice and soft. Alright, so I also do not like wasting plastic. So today what we're going to do, in addition to the peanut butter and jelly, is we're going to mix the sprues together, remelt, and see what kind of color we can get out of the combining the two. My guess is that it is, ooh yeah, look at that. Top of the bait, this is the top orientation, and then that's the bottom with all the salt. All the salt, yeah. Looks good. Ooh yeah, look at that peanut butter. I love this bait. I love this bait mold. As long as you go nice and slow with it, it really does a good job. Oh, those are beautiful. Crabapple peanut butter and jelly. Oh yeah, that's a new bait color. Oh, it's beautiful. Alright, so now we got our sprues from the two different baits all melted together. And I don't know about you guys, I hate wasting plastic, so we'll put this together and See if we can add anything to it to make it not look hideous. But it doesn't look like it. Maybe it'll be just a beautiful green pumpkin with color shift. And this one's not too bad. It could use some more green. But we're just going to pour it just like it is and see what happens. And I'm going to let you guys tell me in the comments which one you like the best. The first pour, which you haven't seen yet, the second pour, or the mix of the two. We'll be back. So time for the big reveal on the let's see how these turned out. Oh, dude, they're not that bad. Nice. Let's see if you can see that. Oh, yeah. All right, that's money. That's pretty. It's like a dark green pumpkin, gold flake, black flake. I guarantee that's going to catch fish. Guarantee it. Oh yeah. Well, you know what time it is now. It's time for the bathtub test. All right, so as you can see, I've got the 3 different baits, and I want you guys to choose. So in the comments below, tell me which one you like the best. This is the one I poured first, and then I added more peanut butter to this one, or excuse me, to this one and this one. And then this one here is the combination of all the sprues. So yeah, which one do you like the best? You like that one? I know every single one of these is going to catch fish. I love this one's my favorite. That one is going to be deadly. And as you saw from the bathtub video, their action is just amazing in the water. These Ned rigs are just floppy and they're just fish food. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe. God bless you guys.
Uh-oh. That's a really big fish. Oh yeah.
Can you get the net?
Yeah. Oh boy. Don't come off. Do not come off. No, 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 no. Oh my god, dude, dude. Babe! No. Don't come off. Oh my god. Yeah! Yeah, dude. Woo! Oh. Thank you. Look at that freaking beast.